Stop. Before you drop $1,000 on that shiny new flagship, you need to understand what you're actually paying for. Marketing teams are experts at making us feel like we're falling behind if we don't have the latest specs. But are those numbers helping you? Often, there's a huge gap between the marketing hype and the reality of your daily usage. Don't let a flashy receipt lead to buyer's remorse. Let's talk about what actually matters. First, battery life. You need a phone that stays alive from your morning commute until you head to bed. Next is smooth performance. You don't need the world's fastest chip to scroll social media, but you do need seamless multitasking without any lag. Then there's camera consistency. High megapixels don't matter if the software can't handle a simple low-light shot in your favorite cafe. Now let's debunk some myths. The megapixel myth suggests more is always better. In reality, larger sensors, not more pixels, capture better light. Extreme processing power is often wasted. If you're just browsing, that super expensive chip is barely working, yet you paid full price for it. An 8K video? It sounds impressive, but it drains your battery and fills your storage in minutes. For daily use, it's completely impractical. Smart buying means looking at mid-range options. Many of these devices offer 90% of the flagship experience at half the cost. Compare the features you actually use. You'll find that mid-range often checks every box for a fraction of the flagship's price tag. At the end of the day, your phone should serve you, not your ego. Buy for your actual needs, not for the brand name.